Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sakshi and I'm back again with another review video. Today we are going to talk about the most used and the most talked about mask. I have a mask from Pangolin over here and there's description right behind the box. So we're going to unbox it together. So I've opened the box. So there's a ribbon over here. So once you pull it, this is what the inner package looks like. Let's open it. So once you open it, there's a small package over here which says about their story, and then we have this. Let's open this up. So we do have a band. I removed the band. There's an instruction sheet, and then there are two packets, out of which one packet has the mask and one packet has the inner filter. And then we also have a cute bag. So this is what the entire box consists of. I'll quickly show you the mask. So this is what the package looks like. It comes with a seal so that you can reuse it. And this is our mask. And it also has instructions over here as to how do you have to wear it. And this is super comfortable. It does not itch your ear. I have two masks. I've been using one and I've used the new one to unbox with you all. And the other package has a filter. It is an extra filter which has velcro so that you can easily attach it inside your mask this way, and then all you have to do is wear it. So I'll quickly wear it and also show you all some benefits. So this is what the mask looks like. This is the outer side of the mask and this is the inner side. I've already attached the velcro to show how it looks like, and it has an extra padding in the nose area so that you can clip it and it becomes tight. This is what comes on your ear, so it's comfortable and it does not cause any kind of irritation. There's another small screw type adjustment belt over here so that you can adjust it according to your size, and again there is a belt to it so that you can wear your mask and keep it hanging like this, and whenever, like, put it behind, and whenever you're not, you can just remove it and the mask keeps hanging. So like you can see, I'm going to show it from all the directions. It completely seals your entire face and it doesn't leave any gaps over here near your ears or near your chin. Like, it's completely sealed. Like other masks do have gaps, so this particular mask has no gap. There's no tension of any sweat or any irritation because this is made up of cotton, and I can breathe while I'm talking. Like all of us know, the other mask that we are using, we face a lot of problem in terms of breathing, but this cotton mask, it has no such problems and I can completely breathe, and it is made up of cotton, so there's no question of irritation. I like the fact that we can wash this particular mask at home. Like the other disposable masks that we use it once and then we throw it. So there's a lot of wastage. But as this mask is made up of cotton, you can wash the outer coverage as well as the inner filter of the mask at home, and that is so much better. You can also run with the mask which has walls, but you'd rather use that during pollution or against pollution. Considering the prevailing times, I would rather suggest you to use the mask without walls, also because it has an additional filter inside. I also love the fact that all their masks have these different color panels, and you can definitely match these panels with your accessories or with your clothes or shoes or anything you would want to wear. I love this little carry pouch that comes along with the mask in the box. So all you have to do is, if you're not using your mask, put your mask inside this pouch. You can seal it and you can keep it in your bag or your purse, or you can just carry it rather than putting it on any random surface. Another important thing is that the entire brand is eco-friendly, and it's not about all the fancy things that you see, like the inner filter or the ear filter or the chain that you get or the band that you get with it, but it is definitely very effective. And the one plus point for me is that I can breathe. It does not cause sweating at all, and it is super comfortable. So it is comfort plus effect, and obviously it depends on person to person. For me, both are comfortable. Both the options are extremely comfortable. I also keep it over here on my ear grip, and I also keep it hanging on the loop. Some things that we definitely should consider while purchasing this mask is First, it is extremely breathable, like I'm repeating again and again, but that is a very, very, very essential factor. Secondly, it's very comfortable. You can reuse it definitely, and you can also help save the pangolins. A percentage of every sale goes to pangolin crisis funds, and it helps to eliminate the widespread trafficking in Asia and Africa. So if you purchase this mask, you're going to help in a good deed as well. So that's about it, you guys, for this particular review video. If you too wish to purchase this mask, I'm going to leave a discount code in my description box, and you can use that code to get a 10% off.